Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. I am Unique. Today we're going to be doing something totally different. I want to go over the different extensions that I purchased to try to find some extensions that fit my wide nail bed. We'll be discussing the OPI, the APRES, the Not Polished Press X, as well as the Kokoist. We're going to go ahead and get started with the OPI and the APRES stiletto. Now the APRES stiletto comes with 600 pieces, 14 different sizes. I bought this set off of Amazon, so there's only 280 pieces, 14 sizes. Now my problem that I have with APRES is that their widest thumb inside that box is a 00, and it does not fit my wide nail bed. You can see right here there's a gap. Now, in order to have the stilettos from APRES fit my wide nail bed, I have to purchase the additional pack, which is the 000s. Now the 000s, they range from $3.89 to $4, depends on if they have a sale. But look how wide that extension is, the 000. Now if I put it on my nail, you can see how the overflow is. That means I have to take time to shape these nails, get them ready to apply my extensions. That's just more unnecessary work for me, especially when I'm just getting off work and I just want to do a quick nail set. Now the OPI Gelevate comes with 640 pieces, 16 different sizes. The OPI Gelevate biggest size is their 00. Now this is their thumb. I don't know if you can see that. See how well they fit? Now we're going to do a comparison, and this is the size from the OPI that I will have to buy, the biggest size. Now we're going to discuss the almond extensions. I got the OPI Gelevate, the APRES in a natural almond medium, as well as a Not Polished Press X natural almond medium. We're going to start off with the Not Polished Press X first. The Not Polished Press X come in 630 pieces, 14 different sizes. Their biggest thumb size is a number 1. They don't fit as well either, with a little gap on the side. The other thing I don't like about the Not Polished Press X is I already have a wide nail bed. I don't want, as the nails taper off, to be any more wider to make my nail bed look extremely wide. Now we're going to move on to the APRES Gel X Natural Almond Medium. They come in 600 pieces, 14 different sizes. The biggest size they have in their box is the 00. Now the APRES almond, they don't fit bad, but I just have a little gap, but they don't fit too bad. And my number 1 complaint is the way they taper off. They don't taper off. They don't go in a little more. They just go out, in my opinion. Now we're going to compare this to the Not Polish. Now they are tapered in a little more than the Not Polish. Now we're going to move on to the OPI Gelevate. The OPI Gelevate has 640 pieces, 16 different sizes. This is their 00. They fit very well. Very, very well. I like how they taper up. They get slim. They don't make my finger look wide. We're going to do a comparison to the not polish. Very wide on the not polish. And then we're going to do a comparison to the APRES Gel X. As you can see, the APRES also is a little wide, but they are not as wide as the not polished Press X. Now we're going to discuss the coffin. I have the Kokoist coffin, I have the APRES coffin, as well as the OPI Gelevate coffin. We're going to start off with the Kokoist. The Kokoist has 275 pieces, 10 different sizes, and their biggest size for their thumb is a 0. They fit pretty well. So I have no problem with the Kokoist coffin. The only issue sometimes I might, just a personal preference, is that they are still a little wide, but they fit very well. Moving on to the APRES Natural Coffin Medium. Their biggest size is a 00 in this box. I do love the way the APRES coffins fit. I do like the way they taper off. They fit my nail bed very well. We're going to compare this to the Kokoist. As you can see, APRES has a slight tapered on the size. Now we're going to move on to the OPI Gelevate. The OPI Gelevate, their biggest size is a 0. They fit very well. Once again, they don't taper in as well as the APRES do. We're going to compare the OPI to the Kokoist. Now the OPI, they taper in a little bit better than the Kokoist. Now all 4 sets of extensions all claim that they have a very thin cuticle edge, in which I believe that they do. Starting off with the APRES. We have Kokoist. We have OPI. And then we have not polished. Now 2 of these sets have to be micro etched before you even apply them. So the APRES, they have to be micro etched on the inside, and then they have to be sanded on the outside. The not polished has to be etched on the inside and sanded on the outside. The Kokoist, on the other hand, don't have to be etched on the inside, but they have to be sanded on the outside. The OPI does not have to be micro etched on the inside, as well as they don't have to be sanded on the outside. Now all 3 of these sets do have a little plastic piece on them that have to be sanded off. APRES is not that bad on their coffins. Kokoist is not that bad as well, but it still have a little plastic piece right there. OPI, all their Gelevate nails do not have a plastic piece on them. It look like they have a little, just a little bit right there. Not polished also has a little plastic piece on them that needs to be sanded off. All 4 sets thickness at the top is very good. This is the APRES. This is the Kokoist. This is the OPI. And this is the not polish. Now the cost associated with these extensions is the OPI. I got these off of LA Girl. The cost is $29.49. The APRES is $29.99. The Kokoist is $19, and the not polished is $19.88. These are the nail extensions that we spoke about in this video. The first row is the almond shape. You have the OPI, you have the APRES, the not polished. The second row is the stiletto, which you have the OPI, and then you also have the APRES. The bottom row is the coffin, which is the OPI, the APRES, and the Kokoist. This is just my opinion. If I had to rank these extensions in order, the first set would be the OPI, the second set would be the APRES, the third set would be the Kokoist, and the fourth set would be the not polished. Now, if I had to choose my favorite gel extension, it would be the OPI, and I have 4 reasons why. Less prep time. I do not need to etch the inside or file the outside. They come in 640 pieces and they have 16 different sizes. The plastic tip is non-existent, and then the extensions does not make my nails wider than they already are. I am not paid to say this. I'm pretty sure OPI doesn't know I exist. I just found these extensions by accident. If you happen to get your hand on some OPI extensions, please come back to my channel and let me know how they worked out for you, good or bad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.